already is. This is the elevator here at building 3. This is the Waterfront building number 3 here in Indy. We got Zeus one here. Otis. Yes, going down. 2-1. We're having an 88 pound. Jeez, it's rough. It's a nice cab, although this is like an 80s, 80s edition here. Every 3. Tell, isn't it Otis? Individual one. Anyway, there's a floor indicator. It doesn't even work. Capacity 2,500. Waterfront 3. Otis Series 1. With these green door open, door close button, and alarm, yellow alarm. This thing could use some work, though. Oh yeah, look away, look at that. Yeah, there goes the elevator as quick as this can go. And I guess that is going to be it for me.